Hi, this is Neil at Italia Autos. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove an Alfa Giulietta front bumper. So let's get cracking. I'm going to start by removing the 4 bolts on top of the bumper. Now onto the underside of the front bumper, I'm going to be removing part of the under tray as well along here. So there's bolts all around the outside here and all the way along here. So I'm going to start by removing these. Now all the bolts are removed, this part should just drop down and pull out. Now next job on either side is to undo these 4 Phillips screws. They can be quite tough to undo, purely for the fact a lot of dirt and grime gets in them, so you may want to wire brush them out first. Got a little pick just to pick out some of the grained in bits. Okay, now we've done all those 4, there's just one more up here to undo. And now exactly the same on the other side. Well, now removed all the bolts, didn't do this side on camera because there's not really much for you to see. So now what we need to do is remove the clip from this side here, just with a little bit of a tug on each side. Now the bumper should come forward, lift it from the top over. There is an electrical connection here, so I'm going to undo that now. Now the bumper should be free to come down. There you go, that's how you remove a Giulietta front bumper. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.